everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying something new. I'm going to cut my own bangs, hopefully. Right now I have a towel in my lap to catch all of the hair. Normally I would do this over the sink, but the lighting in there is terrible and I want you to see this. And I have some hair scissors. Now I did used to trim my own bangs, but I've never cut them myself. And I'm sure that my stylist is out there watching this, cringing, as I explain that I'm going to cut my own hair. I looked up a couple different methods of doing this, and the one I decided I'm going to try is the triangle method in the middle of my head. So I measure out the pointy parts of my eyebrows up. So that would be here. And then from the middle, I'm going to make a diagonal line from this point to the middle on both sides. So hopefully you can see the triangle I have going on here. And I want these to swoop to the right. So, how long do I want them? About this long-ish. So what I'm gonna do is swoop these over to the left, the opposite side of what I want, and cut there, straight across. And I'm gonna start long because you can always cut more, but you can't uncut hair. That's not how it works. So cutting to the left, and there we go. It is beginning. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of hair. So now, if I swoop it over to the right, I can see a little bit of that going on. Hey, and now I have bangs, and I just have to make them look like good bangs. Alright, I'm going to cut them a little shorter. I'm going to do that again. Bring it over to the left, and cut. Perfect. This is more the length I'm going for. Awesome! And then, once I got that down, I'm going to take the bottom layer to start with, and I'm just going to cut up into the hair. So straight up into the hair like this. Just so it's less of a straight cut and more uneven on the ends, a little more edgy. Can you tell the difference? Then I'm going to let down more hair and do the same thing. Okay, the good news is even though I haven't styled it, it's livable. So at least we have that going for us. Because I tried cutting them myself in college once and it looked awful, like so bad. So at least whatever this turns out like is livable. Ta-da! My bangs are back! I must admit I'm rusty on styling these because I haven't had bangs in so long. But at least the shape is correct and they look nice even now, styled not so perfectly. Thanks guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it or found it useful, give this video a thumbs up. Check out my channel for other videos of me trying new things and DIY options and all sorts of stuff. See you around!